Hello students. Today we are going to learn how to multiply a vector by a scalar and calculate the resulting magnitude. So, multiplication of a vector by a scalar changes the magnitude of the vector but leaves its direction unchanged. The scalar changes the size of the vector. The scalar scales the vector. Like if you have v as your vector, 2v, it's double the length. If it's a half v, it's half the length. Multiplying a vector by a negative number reverses the direction of the vector. So if it was going up, a negative 3/2 vector would now go down. So here we have a few problems. Graph the following vectors. So number 1, 3v. So this is what v is, and we want to make it 3 times that. So the first one is going up 2 and over 3. So we are going to do that. The resultant vector we're going to go ahead and draw in red. And we're going to start with our first one. So that's 1 times it. And then to go do that again, we go up 2 and over 3 again here. And up 2 and over 3 again. So again, your resultant vector would be 1 line all the way up here, and that would be your answer. So you just write 3v, and there you go. Okay, so if this is w right here and we want a half w, we just take half of what it is. We go over -10. So if we just do half of that, we're just going to go to -5. We go up to 8, we're just going to go to 4. So we're going to go from here, we're going to go up and go over 5 and up 4. So this would be the 1/2 w right here. And if they wanted us to put it in vector form, I better just keep with the pencil. Okay, so all right, let's move on. Okay. Okay, that's not exactly what I wanted. Okay, let's go on to the next one. -1/3 u. So again, we're going to start at 0, 0. However, with the -1/3, we're going to go the other direction. So this one goes over 6. So our x value, 1/3 of that would just be 2. So I'd be going over 2 this way. Now it goes down to -9, so we're going to go up to 3. So start here, we go the opposite direction. We know we're going to go up 2, or left 2 and up 3. So that right there, again, we're starting at 0, 0 and go up to over -2 and up to 3. That would be 1/3 what the length and direction is of this one. Okay. And again, we're just drawing them for right now. So 3s. So if we start here and it goes up 1 and over 3, we're going to do that 3 times. We'll go ahead and start in the same place. Up 1 over 3, up 1 over 3, and up 1 over 3. So again, that's 3s if s is our vector right there. Okay, next. If v equals 5, 4 and w equals negative 2, 8, find the new vector. 6v. So you go take this, 6 times 5 would be 30, comma, 24. And that's what 6v would be. Okay, negative 3w. W is negative 2, 8. We're basically just multiplying these by negative 3. So then here we would get 6, comma, oh, don't forget the vector sign, and then negative 3 times 8, negative 24. A half v, we're just going to take half of that. So 2.5, you could put 5 halves if you wanted, and then half of 4 is going to be 2. Okay. This one gets a little bit trickier, 2v. So we're going to say 2 times v is going to be 10, comma, 8, plus 4w, that would be negative 8, comma, 32. Okay, so we have one more step here. Add 10 and negative 8, and you get 2, comma, 8 and 32, 40. So 2, comma, 40 for the next one. So, let's see, half w minus 3v. I think you can do the rest from here, students. I'll let you finish those two. Check in with me and then go ahead and do the worksheet. Okay, let's see. Finding magnitude after scalar multiplication. I think we'll do that on the next video. Go ahead, students. You rock.